What's going on YouTube? It's me, and today we're gonna solving a race machine from Vulnlab, and then it's Linux hard machine, and it was really great. So I want to record for you. And too many things we're gonna be doing here, like the vulnerability research, and grab exploit, risk condition for pledge escalation. So it will be really great. So if you're ready, let's get started here fast. As always, we are starting here with mmap scan, and then it says it's working HTTP on 80 port. Let's try to be visited here, and it will be redirect us here racers. So let's start here with go buster. So let's scan here directory first, and then let's see what we got here. So with -v user share word list stack list, let's see. Okay, so go for discovery web content and the common.txt. So it will be show you something here like an admin or forgetting password or something like that. So for example, if I'm going to try to be go here login page, it will be give me here user login, and you will be see here Amazon admin directory is also available. So but those are not too great for starting is over here. So you need to be just giving here your go buster scan before racer. So it will just redirect us here directly on the racer, so it will be cool we heard one. So we have no idea how we can start it here right now. But if you check is over here, is actually it will be need to be show you here PHP system info. So PHP system info is over here. So it will be asking your username and password. So after we checking your username and password, so let's try here default credential like an admin. So we are successfully logging here PHP system info. So we can check it here some binary command, for example, is over here, will give you really great things. So right now you can try to be accessed here with this password on the login page, right? So we got it here new user, which one is backup, and that is or the new password. So let's try it's on the admin directory. Let's go here with this on the admin directory racers and an admin. So let's give it here our username for the password. I think we can right now is using this and doing this. We're successful login here as the backup. So there's nothing we can use it here, just got it here tools dashboard, something like that different, and can just log in to log out is over here. So but the good things here, we can backup or to be or the website and the web server and how is it running, what's going on is over here is first. So it seems we can manage it here right now on the backup jobs. So changing creating jobs is not possible, but we are able to be stored here job and download website backup here. So we need to be uploaded here for sure. So let me actually remove it on the home my Elliot downloads because I did it before. So let's remove it, and downloading this backup right now. So it will be definitely give you really cool things, and then you will be understanding here how they actually use this account here. So it's need to be here somewhere. You can just imagine go for racers, and then if you can try to be go here not here actually login page, and then you will be here forget password, so we can recover your password right now. So after we install it, Elliot downloads and default zip is over here. Let's unzip, right? So we are successfully getting here backup out of the system, and now we saw here something different like the backup system and user. So let's try to be visiting here a user, and we got it here accounts. So let's go for accounts. So we got it here 3 user. So we have no access for admin right now and the Patrick, but we have access on backup. So let's read it backup file, and it's just show us here hashed password, and those are not crackable. And I give you here some to be secrets. So let's do same thing for Patrick. and then let's do same thing for admin. So admin just giving us is the password hash, but it's not crackable as I said. But if you're checking here on the Patrick, and then it will be redirect to resetting token, and then I'm giving here the hashed password is also. So what will be need to be changing here for the Patrick. So if you can try to be resetting here for Patrick, it will definitely giving us here on Patrick with the Patrick token. So what I am actually talking about here, so you will be understanding right now to me. We just need to be go here on the user, go for plugins, and it's over here. Let's visiting admin, and after the admin, let's visiting here classes and the plugin. So we are getting here to be PHP file, which one is I think important. So we can check it here on the controllers, right? And then we got here abstract controller.php and admin controller. Let's looking for his login, and then it's giving us here login controller.php. So let's visiting here login controller.php, and we already know there's an resetting password. So let's just looking for here reset one. So there's something we got from the reset one. So let's checking for reset link if it's available here. Then we got here reset link, and how is it working? So they are using here for reset link to be get it absolute admin URL, and it's we need to be do this first, and this how is actually working here. We have to be understand before, and then go for reset you and the username, so it will be changing instead of the Patrick. Then we have to be giving here token for Patrick, right? So let's do this everything first, because we need to be sending here the email. Then Patrick need to be saved. We have to be removing everything is over here. Then also remove at the Vulnlab file, right? And remove -r. Let's see, GitHub, and HT access, and the fan also is over here right now. So let me visiting one of time is over here, and it will be giving here recover your password. So if you are trying to give it here Patrick dot at race dot vulnlab, it will be sent a reset instruction is over here. So it says or if account is access instruction on resetting on your password via email. So let's log in is over here right now. Then giving here backup, and with this password again, then download or backup one more time. So it will be giving the token for us for Patrick. So we can do here a password reset for Patrick, and let's see what's going on the Patrick web server. So I'm gonna be go here backup now one more time, and then we're gonna be download it and unzip it one more time for sure. So let me download the backup one more time right now, and then you'll be see it gonna be changing. It's because we're sending instruction for Patrick, right? So let's waiting for it, and then we have to be go home Elliot downloads and default, and then let me unzip it one more time and go for nope cd let's see. Okay, so it's need to be on the backup, right? Alright, so let's go for user accounts, and then cat Patrick. That's so, and then you will be see here is the password reset token is gonna be changing right now. So we have to be use it for instead of token. So we just need to be changing our command with this, right? So let's change it with here, giving this URL first, and then we have to be using here reset, and what it says. So reset -u right here, for username we need to be using here Patrick, and the Patrick's token for resetting password. So let's try to be visiting here, but you have to be logged out before, and then it says please enter password. So let's give it here the same password with backup. We are already saved here. No needed to be creating new password. And I reset the password, and it says our password has been reset right now. So let's give it here Patrick and this password. Nope. So we have to say Patrick. Give this password and the login. So we are successful login right now on the Patrick. So for example, you're gonna go here on the dashboard configuration, and then you have now access somewhere to be changing page, and then it will be great right now. So what we can do here, so you can check it here grave. So it's, you can call this actually here grave and exploit. So you will be get here too many things absolutely. So these are one of the things I got. This one and this one will be really help you. You can check it directly, but it's not needed right now. For understanding your vulnerability, you can read it. It's definitely help you. So it's already is giving us here right now to be how we can do it. Now we have as same website with this. So it's giving us here the Python code for exploit, and we are already got it here with graver.python. And after you install it, and let's go Vulnlab and raise. And then let's see. So I think we can call it here cp home elite downloads graver.python. So let's understand how it's graver.python work. So you have to be go here giving to be username and password. So we are already now here, or username for changing it is Patrick, right? And or password, we use it same password with backup. So let's give it this. Then try to be understanding what this Python code doing. It's working like python 3 graver.python-t with target URL, and then it's accepting us is over here, and I go for here and creating some site, not site. Okay, it's site with the cookie, for example. And I go for here, I'm gonna be trying to show you correcting here. So it's just posting data. So it's a prepare post data for injection request is over here right now. And now what's gonna be do here, so you have to be understanding here, go it's over here, and it's gonna be run for us who am I, and it will be do on system cmd. So it's just posting here some website, and then from you can do it manually. For example, it's over here, so you can go here configuration, and on the side you can giving your to IP addresses, but this Python code will do all for us. So to be understanding it, you can check it here to the error message, for example. So let's try with the ID is over here. Who am I? It's gonna be running who am I for us. Then we can change it with to be reverse shell, because it's working on system cmd, right? So let's run python graver.python. Then we can call it here -t. So let's see, giving our admin page, and then none logins. Let's see. Let's see again. So it says our remote code execution payload injected. Now visit the malicious page at here. So copying address and try to visiting, and it will be showing cmd output is double data and double data. So what we can do right now, we can change it this who am I command with the reverse shell, and let's see. Alright, so I'm gonna be grabbing here reverse shell from here. Let's call this nano shell.shell, give this, and I want to be listening on Python 3 already in use, right? So let's see. Alright, so we can starting listener here like ncat-mvlp. Alright, so Python 3 listener is over here and give here terminal. So let's running here or Python graver one more time. So it's giving us here one more time to address. So let's not sure what's going on here right now. So let's copy it and give it here. So there's two things we got. The first thing it's double data, and the second one will be or. So we are okay. So we are not changing here, right? So let's see. So I want to be changed it with curl giving my IP addresses like shell. Then just want to be running here bash like that, and let's save it. Great. So my listener, it's over here. Let's run it one more time. Let's see. Giving us here let's copy it. Give it here. This one. So it's look like we got a shell right now. Let's see. Yeah, we are got a shell here successfully. And import putty the spawn and binary and bash. Yes. Export term xterm. Right. So let's say ls. So we got the shell here successfully. Go for home. So we have here two users, Max and Patrick, but we are double data. So you need to be visiting your user locale, and then you will be see here cd share. Go for race secrets, and then there's a really great office cat offsite backup shell. So it will be giving us here let's see. Great. So it will be giving us here password for Max, so we can use it for its to be for SSH. So with this or new IP addresses, and with this password, yes, give this. As you can see here, we are successfully get or user.txt. Great. So we have to be do here run to be really cool things on opt. So let's use thing on TMP. I want to be creating here PowerShell Python 64. So it will be great for us here. Okay, let me download it first. I think I have no right now, because deleted before. So let's see. cd opt cp home elite downloads Python. So I think we can add it here on Vulnlab raise. Okay, cp opt. Okay, so let's actually upload it here. Widget http giving your IP address. Let's give it here /mod plus x. So it will actually show you to be cool things to be idea for first of all. So this one is get better overview on running process is here, right? So we can notice that cron job calling two scripts. So the first one you will be see here, user binary bash from where we are getting here user local share race scripts office offsite backup.shell. So let's try to be here visiting. So let's go here first, and then you will be understanding here how it's actually running here. cd user yeah, user, okay, local share race scripts, and then after you check it, you will be understanding what's going on here right now, right? But it's not actually look like or command here, so it's working, it's correct, but the other way you have to be looking for is also on the binary. We are going here binary, yes. So it's secure cron.shell. So that's was actually why we already need to be using here race condition, because it's always running here user local share race scripts office backup.shell, that's for sure. And then we need to be now, if we can change it office backup.shell, can do it. So with this md5 sum, we'll be checking offsite backup.shell script if it's correct the script to get executed. So this is also now here, you can check it, talk to from Google. So let's use a thing here, talk to, right? So it's a time of check, time of use. You can say talk to exploit, and then we'll be understanding everything will be cool, and talk to vulnerabilities over here, and for example some C command for they are using for it, but we have no needed to be here any C command because we already got here two shell commands, so we can change it one of them with or reverse shell, then can get back shell here as successfully. So first of all, we need to be running here the path shell code for do this always. For example, what we want to be do here, user local share on the race scripts. So for example, it's working on offsite backup.shell, so we can creating or offsite backup.shell too, right? So sublime tags and give it here offsite backup 2. So let's give it here same thing with backup 2. So we have to be using these methods. It was while so let's see, while true, give it here true and do. So we're gonna be giving here the command for to be doing, and then it will be done, right? So let's see what we can do here. CP. So they are doing where is it? It's actually, so let's see, PWD. It's over here, right? So let's actually copy it. I mean, or offsite backup.shell, then save it as the same word, like user local share race scripts of office offsite backup.shell here. So after that, CP doing we actually want to be doing here same thing for to or backup to that shell, right? Let's see, giving here for same thing for backup to shell. And then I want to be changing is the same thing for on the user local share scripts offsite backup.shell here. Then after that all, I want to be giving here with 777 to my script. So my script will go on here to be reverse shell for sure. And let's give it here done. So let's check it out. So what is actually doing here? So I think you look like wonder about it. So it's gonna be copy here, user local share read scripts offsite backup.shell, right? Then we'll be sending it here, user local share read scripts offsite backup.shell. And this one gonna be do same thing, but it will be changing with my shell, so it's not look like here same thing. So let's see. Why can I nothing running here? Something wrong. Oh, look like my machine is done right now. Let's see. Oh, it's down because Discord is down. Really? There's no way. Let's see. Nothing wrong here. Okay. So it's need to be working right now. So there's a backup. So there's an offsite backup.shell again. So needs to be changing here with you have to be changing with backup here right now. One more time you have to be do it. And it's gonna be save it on user share raise scripts on the backup.shell. Then doing same thing for this, and then give it here to be sage mode and done, right? So we have to be call this right now. Go for nano. So we will want to be creating here offsite backup to the shell, right? So what we have to be give this just a reverse shell, all right? So let's see, cat here my shell. This one, it will be give you here hopefully reverse shell. I hope so. And then let's call this same thing on here. Let's call race to the shell. Give this. Well, you wanna be giving here user binary shell will be important. For example, user binary bash X. So it's look like ready, and my ANCAT listener need to be ready here. Ready? Okay, let's do this. And then bash raise to is it something wrong? User, I don't think so. So let's see. Nano raise to the shell. Let's see. So yeah, there's nothing look like wrong. Offside. Weź restart do shell. I don't know why it's not working, but it was work for my. Oh, it's maybe it's up out of here. Let's see. Let's try to be remote. Okay. All right. So we have to be in remote, right? So it will be take a time too much, but let's see. With this giving this password again, and then what's going on here? User local share raise scripts. So does it look like creating here offsite backup that shell, and then is it equal or to reverse shell right now? And then we need to be now it's always running on the system. This code with yeah, I mean, so it's working here regularly, so so it will be hit back as here shell as root, so we need to be just here time to wait. Let's see. So it's still running. So we are. So it's need to be here somewhere to time. Like 1 minute. Let's see. Bro, why is it not giving the shell here? So it will give, but maybe take a time. I'm not sure. Yeah, it was take a time too much to first of all for me, and it's because this maybe why it's not giving shell here, but it will be hit you back shell is over here. Thank you for watching this video.